Hello everyone. So I'm going to read something different. How was your day? If you live in Benton County, did you go to the fair and did you have a good one there? I know we did. Our little Selena won first place in the baby contest from 12 months to 24 months. It was great, and she wasn't even dressed as a fairy. I didn't even know it was a fairy thing. I dressed her in the best outfit, and she ended up winning. She was the only one there not dressed up as a fairy. And she won. Weird, huh? Won first place. That's awesome. I'm proud of her. We're very proud of her. But anyway, I'm going to read the Encyclopedia of Awesome Animals. It's different, and it's not like a regular book to read. I'm not going to read all of it today. I'm just going to read pieces, like I'm doing the God Middle Instruction book for graduates one. This is pretty cool because you learn a lot of cool shit out of it. Stuff out of it, sorry. The Encyclopedia of Awesome Animals. Introduction. Discover for yourself amazing facts about sharks, what they eat and how they have babies, who their enemies are, and more. Did you know that some sharks are older than the dinosaurs? Sharks are the biggest fish. Some sharks glow in the dark, which is really cool. I didn't know that. Some have heads like hammers. Yeah, I knew that one. If sharks stop swimming, they sink. I didn't know that one. Sharks keep losing their teeth. Sharks feed in frenzy. Sharks can smell blood over a half-mile away. And some fish hitch rides on sharks. Some baby sharks grow inside of mermaids' purses. Question mark. And people are sharks' worst enemies. I don't know what a mermaid purse is. Maybe we'll find out later on in the book. I didn't know that sharks are older than dinosaurs. Sharks' ancestors lived about 200 million years before the dinosaurs. Some were giants and had spines on their heads. Few sharks turned into fossils, but their teeth did. This tooth measures 12 inches and belongs to a monster shark called Megalodon. A great white shark's tooth is half this size. Imagine that. Cladoculaceae. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Lived about 350 million years ago and measured over 6 feet from teeth to tail. The shark's mouth was at the tip of its snout, not tucked underneath as in most sharks today. This fossil of a shark called Cephalocanthus spine. Fossils of sharks are rare because their skeletons are made of cartilage, which rots away before it can fossil. Oh yeah. This is Cladoculaceae. I don't know if you can read that. That's the big shark. And then the Stephocanthus is this one. Oh, another thing. This book has little fun things in it, like true or false. You guess what's true, and you guess what's false, and then you read on, see what's right. And you do little projects like this one here. They're saying, to see how big a whale shark really is, try making one in the park or on the beach. Using a yardstick as a guide, measure out its length, and then fill in the outline with pebbles or twigs. The basin shark is the world's second largest fish. It swims with its mouth open to catch microscopic sea creatures. Well, yeah. You get to do that little project to see how big a whale shark really is. I didn't know that sharks are the biggest fish. The whale shark measures up to 42 feet and is the largest fish in the sea. This gentle giant eats peacefully, filtering tiny plants and animals from the water. And then there's a dwarf shark. It's just 6 inches long, not much bigger than a goldfish. In fact, half of all known sharks measure less than 3 feet. All known sharks measure less than 3 feet. Is this a true or false thing? I don't have a little thing up there. Anyway. The basin shark. Or basking, whatever you call it. Whale shark. And then dwarf shark. Alright, I'm going to stop here. I know I didn't read very much, but I have other stuff to read, and I don't want the videos to be like forever long, so I'm just going to stop here and read some more some other time. Now, God's Little Instruction Book for Graduates. I don't know where it was. I don't know if I've already read this or not. This part of this God's Instruction Book. 100 years from now, it won't matter if you got that. Yeah, okay, yeah, I did. I remember. Okay. Shoot for the moon, even if you miss it. You will land among the stars. In other words, aim for perfection. 2 Corinthians 13 and 11 NIV. The secret of success is to do the common things uncommonly well. In other words, seest thou a man diligent in his business. He shall stand before kings, he shall not stand before mean men. Proverbs 22 and 29. I still don't understand that one. Yeah. That one's hot. Definition of status: buying something you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't like. Another word. They do all their deeds to be noticed by men. Are they talking about women? Matthew 23:5 NASB. I like the dreams of the future better than the history of the past. In other words, remember, yea, not the former things, neither consider the things of old. Behold, I will do a new thing. Isaiah 43:18-19. I hate when pages stick together. Oh, I was supposed to show you that. I'm sorry. The way to get to the top is to get off your bottom. Kind of true. True. In other words, how long will you lie down? O sluggard, when will you arise from your sleep? Proverbs 6:9 NASB. You are only what you are when no one is looking. Another word, not with eye service, as men pleasers, but as the servants of Christ, doing the will of God from your heart. Ephesians 6:6. I don't know. I got some things in here that says things that make you just think about it, and you want to look it up, understand it better and more. And that's all I'm going to read for now. And I'm going to get to the joke now. I don't remember where I left off on these ones either. I'm just going to start from somewhere. Why did Aladdin's magic flying carpet leave him? Because it was tired of being treated like a tour mat. Why doesn't Sebastian the crab share his cup with Ariel? Because he's shellfish. Did it shellfish instead of selfish? What was Ariel's job title when she began cleaning the coral reef? Mermaid. Why is everything so dirty in Neverland? Because it's covered in pixie dust. Why was the princess in the emergency room? Because she broke her crown. What did B-Boy say when he tripped in front of his crush? I think I've fallen for you. Why did Mulan think her mirror was broken? Because her reflection didn't show who she was inside. What did Elsa say when Anna wouldn't stop complaining about her boyfriend? Let it go. Alright. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. These books today. Please like and subscribe. me and Selena would love to go live. That'd be great. And if you want to leave comments, that would be great too. Let me know things, what you think of things. If you can't leave a comment, if you're a friend of mine on Messenger, message me and let me know so I can fix that stuff. Like, I don't know this stuff. Somebody told me I couldn't subscribe to my stuff, and I don't see why. I mean, I can go into my settings and look things up. If you guys can't comment, let me know if you're friends with me, or subscribe, or whatever. Let me know, and I'll try to fix it. But thanks for watching, and have a good day. Good night. See you in the next video.